Bhagavad Gita is known also Gita Upanishad, the essence of Vedic knowledge and one of the most important of the various Upanishads in Vedic literature. This Bhagavad Gita, there are many commentations in English, and what is the necessity of another English commentation of the Bhagavad Gita? In America, there are so many editions of English Bhagavad Gita, but so far I have seen that not only in America but also India, none of them can be said strictly as authoritative, because almost every one of them have expressed their own opinion through the commentation of the Bhagavad Gita without touching the spirit of Bhagavad Gita as it is. The spirit of Bhagavad Gita is mentioned in the Bhagavad Gita itself. It is just like this. If we want to take a particular medicine, then we have to follow the particular direction mentioned on the label of the medicine. We cannot take the particular medicine according to our own direction or by the direction of a friend, but we have to take the medicine under the direction given on the label of the bottle and as directed by the physician. Similarly, the Bhagavad Gita also should be taken or accepted as it is, directed by the speaker himself. The speaker of the Bhagavad Gita is Lord Krishna. He is mentioned in every page of the Bhagavad Gita as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Bhagavan. Of course, Bhagavan is sometimes designated to any powerful person or any powerful demigod, but here Bhagavan is certainly designated to Sri Krishna, a great personality, but at the same time we must know that Lord Sri Krishna, as he is confirmed by all the acharyas, I mean to say, even Shankaracharya, Ramanujarya, Madhyacharya, Nimbakrishami, and Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and many others. In India, there were many authoritative scholars and acharyas, authorities of the Vedic knowledge. All of them, including Shankaracharya, has accepted Sri Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The Lord Himself has also established Himself as the Supreme Personality of Godhead in the Bhagavad Gita. He is accepted so in the Brahma Samhita and all Puranas, especially in the Bhagavad Puranam, Krishnastu Bhagavan Sayam. So therefore, we should take Bhagavad Gita as it is, directed by the personality of Godhead Himself. So, in the 4th chapter of Bhagavad Gita, the Lord says, Imam vivassati jugam pratyaman aham abhayam vivasyan manabe praha Manu Rikha Kave Bravit Evam parampara praptam imam rajarsayo viduhu sakale neha mahata yoga nasta parantapa sa evayam maya te adya yoga prakta puratanaha bhaktosi me sakha cheti rahasyam jetad uttamam. The idea is, the Lord said to Arjuna that this yoga, this system of yoga, Bhagavad Gita, was first spoken by me to the Sun God. And the Sun God explained to Manu. Manu explained to Ikhaku. And in that way, by disciplic succession, one after another, this yoga system is coming, and in course of time, this system is now lost, and therefore I am speaking to you the very same yoga system again, the very same old yoga system of Bhagavad Gita or Gita Upanishad, because you are my devotee and you are my friend.
Tava kripa hale mor katha shuddha habe shuniha sabara shoka dukkha je guchi bhe nachao prabhu nachao se mate Bhagavad